What's going on, everybody? We're here at the National Pavement Expo 2019 here in Nashville, and fortunate enough to be with a local. Actually, do you call it a Nashvillian, or like what do you call it?
Yeah. Nashvillian.
Nashvillian.
Yeah.
Cool. Sealcoating Specialist is the name of this gentleman's company. This is Mike Hendershot, an absolutely awesome dude. You know, we just got to meet in person right here at the expo, and I think that's something that's really special, where social media and the online world has allowed people like us to be able to connect and have some synergy and energy. And as Mike was standing there speaking with me, he was talking about how he met me through the online channel like years and years ago. How many years ago?
Been about 8, 9, maybe 10.
8, 9, 10
It goes so fast.
Yeah.
Who knows? Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
And originally got one of our 300-gallon units to start out, and then he started telling me how he scaled his business. He didn't stand still and stay stagnant and just kind of make it comfortable. He was pushing the limits. So tell us how you started. You started with the 300, but what happened after that?
Well, I actually went out and bid jobs before I even had a unit, and I was on Asphalt Kingdom, and we landed a bunch of U.S. banks, and I quick ordered the AK300, a melter, the little Titan. Striper. I didn't know much about striping, so I just bought the little
850
striper, and within the first year we used that. It worked great, and then the next year we bought a 500-gallon, and then the year after that a 1,500-gallon, and now we have a fleet. We've got a Neal DA 350 squeegee machine. We've got a 1,500-gallon tanker, a 1,000-gallon tanker, 4 stripers, riders, hurricane blowers. Now we went from
started
small figures to big figures, so it's and every year we keep growing. I mean, we're pretty much booked for this whole season already. We haven't started the season.
That's incredible. So, what would you attribute your success and your growth to?
Social media, marketing. We never, and always getting the best thing out. Don't sit there and be scared to pull the trigger on buying a big unit. Or I was scared to buy a $60,000 squeegee machine. At the time, it scared the crap out of me. But once we did it, it paid for itself so fast, and help is so hard to find. And now that the equipment is getting so high tech, you can buy equipment that it doesn't take as many people to use it.
Yeah.
You make more money, your cost is down, and you just keep growing. You never get stagnant.
Never get stagnant.
Yeah.
Do you do a lot of selling? Do you do a lot, are you constantly pushing with sales and proposals?
Yeah, we're in all the apartment magazines. We take full page ads and everything we can take out in constant email blasts. Getting with property management companies and working with them is the most important. Our thing now is continue. Every 3 years, we get the same ones calling us and saying, it's time to redo them. We started out doing driveways. Now we only do apartment complexes and
commercial
shopping malls.
Yeah,
but nothing small anymore.
That's incredible.
So
that's incredible.
Good. And I appreciate you guys hooking me up in the beginning, and it worked out really great.
I can't tell you how incredible it feels for me to hear where you are now, and how proud I am of how much you've accomplished.
Well, I read all those on Asphalt Kingdom, the how to bid, how to
action guides, and
all that stuff, and they helped a lot, man.
Awesome.
So I appreciate it too.
Mike Hendershot, man, so nice to be here with you in person.
Yeah.
And again, I'm so proud of you, man.
We'll have to take one of these trips one of these days.
I can't wait, man. Come visit for sure.
I will.
Yeah. I like Nashville too, man. I woke up the other day with a white skin pair of Python cowboy boots. Imagine that.
Please don't wear a cowboy hat.
Nice to meet you, bro.
You too, man. Let's go.
Like, comment, and subscribe below.